Madam Chairlady, members of Parliament. Capacity building must start with our children by offering quality learning opportunities in terms of education facilities and programs. The government is therefore working on the implementation of the $26.8 million Fostering Resilient Learning project funded by the Trust Fund at the World Bank. The grant agreement for this project was signed in June of this year, and the project is comprised of the following key components. 1, rebuilding inclusive schools. 2, restoring library services. 3, strengthening of the management information system in education, culture, youth, and sports. 4, contingent emergency response. And 5, the management of the project. The goals of the project are to foster data-driven decisions, monitor and enhance the education, culture, youth and sports services for schools, teachers, students, and citizens, support procedures that protect youth and children's rights with digitization, and enhance the resilience within the sectors. Other priorities include working towards 1, the $7 million emergency recovery program for school repairs, which will be supplemented with funds for school gyms and sport facilities. 2, working towards the development of a more efficient, effective school busing service policy, including the fleet tracking system for student transportation. And 3, working towards the provision of computers for students and teachers and digital boards for all classrooms in public schools.